Hey guys, this is Johnny Amazon with a video tutorial for those of you who are having issues with your PS4 Pro when you first boot it up, and that you are not getting any video or audio, or sometimes just audio only and no video, and you're wondering if it's your PS4 Pro that is having the issue or what is the problem. And don't worry, it's not the PS4 Pro, or it's not a permanent problem. You can actually get around it with a temporary fix while Sony gets us a new patch to fix it up with the next firmware update. And then so what you want to do is you want to boot it up into safe mode so you can change the settings so that it would work again. So how you do that is you would have to press and hold down the power button for 6 seconds. When you first press and hold it down, you would hear the first beep for it to power on, and then after 6 seconds it will beep again to show that it's being set into safe mode. So let me switch the input into there, and now you are in safe mode, you see. And then you would have to hook up your PS4 controller via USB so that it can be recognized by the PS4 Pro. And then what you want to do is, once you press the button, you would be presented with this menu, and what you want to do is go all the way down to the HDCP setting and change that to 0.4 only, 1.4 only, instead of the automatic, which is I think now at 2.2. Anyway, select that, confirm, and it should now boot back up into the PS4 OS again. Let's wait while it does that, and there you go. So once you change the HDCP setting into 1.4, it will work as normal, and everything should be fine. There might be some applications like Netflix that might not always work, but for now it's good to go. And if you want to see that it works, you can go up to the setting and check your video settings. So you go into the settings menu, go down to the sound and screen setting, and to the video output setting. And right now mine is set on automatic, but you can change it to 4K if you want. You see, and then once you select one of these settings, you can make sure, double check to see where you're at by selecting the video output information. And see, right now mine is showing that it does indeed broadcast at 4K resolution. And so yeah, so do this temporary fix while Sony comes up with a patch to permanently fix this. And okay, hope you guys can get this up and running like I did. Good luck.